Nouns are classified into two main categories: common nouns and proper nouns. Today we are going to learn about common nouns. A common noun is a general name for a person, place, thing, idea or quality that doesn't name a specific one. Common nouns are not usually capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Common nouns include the names of different jobs, plants, and animals, different geographical features, ideas, and objects, and many other things. Common nouns are usually written in lowercase, except at the beginning of a sentence. For example, the child played happily in the park. Here, child is common noun, written in lowercase. Examples of common nouns: car, book, river, fruit, flower, mobile.